Rocket, what's up, guys? If you're looking to make serious money online with zero experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 5 insane AI tools that can help you make $500 or more per day, even if you're a complete beginner. We're talking passive income, side hustles, and real success stories from people just like you. Let's jump straight in. Tool number 1. ChatGPT. AI freelancing, money bag earnings potential. $500, $1,500 per day, B-roll. Fiverr, Upwork earning screenshots. AI is rewriting the rules for freelancers. With ChatGPT, you can start making money by checkmark writing blog posts, checkmark creating ad copy, checkmark offering SEO-friendly content. Success story. John, 26, made $10,000 in 1 month as a ChatGPT freelancer on Upwork. Fire how to start. Sign up on Fiverr or Upwork, offer writing or marketing gigs, and use ChatGPT to handle the work. Clients are paying $50, $200 per project. Tool number 2. Mid-Journey, AI art and design, money bag earnings potential. $300, $1,000 per day, B-roll. Etsy print-on-demand store screenshots. AI-generated art is selling like crazy. With Mid-Journey, you can create and sell. Checkmark AI-generated posters and t-shirts, checkmark book covers and logos, checkmark digital artwork for brands. Success story. Sarah, a college student, made $5,000 in her first month selling AI art on Etsy. Fire how to start. Use Mid-Journey to generate unique artwork. Upload it to Etsy or Redbubble, and start selling. People are making $1,000 plus a week doing this. Tool number 3. Synthesia, AI video creation, money bag earnings potential. $500, $2,000 per day, B-roll. YouTube automation channels earning $10,000 plus per month. You don't need to be on camera to make money with YouTube. With Synthesia, you can. Checkmark create faceless YouTube videos, checkmark sell AI video creation as a service, checkmark make explainer videos for businesses. Success story. Mike, a dad of 2, made $12,000 in 45 days running an AI-generated YouTube channel. Fire how to start. Use Synthesia to create videos, upload them to YouTube, or sell them to businesses on Fiverr. You can charge $100 plus per video. Tool number 4. Jasper AI, AI copywriting, money bag earnings potential. $500, $5,000 per month, B-roll. Email marketing, ad copy examples, businesses pay big money for good copywriting. With Jasper AI, you can. Checkmark write high converting ad copy, checkmark create email sequences that sell, checkmark offer copywriting services on Fiverr and Upwork. Success story. Lisa, a stay-at-home mom, landed a $3,000 per month retainer writing sales emails using Jasper AI. Fire how to start. Sign up for Jasper, create samples, and pitch businesses. Many are desperate for AI-powered content. Tool number 5. Pictory, AI YouTube automation, money bag earnings potential. $500, $10,000 per month, B-roll. Stock footage of viral YouTube videos, this is huge. Pictory lets you create viral faceless YouTube videos in minutes. Use it too. Checkmark make viral top 10 list videos, checkmark create AI-powered story content, checkmark sell YouTube automation services. Success story. Ryan, a 22-year-old, made $8,000 in 1 month from an AI YouTube channel. Fire how to start. Pick a niche, use Pictory to generate engaging videos, and monetize with YouTube ads and affiliate marketing. Outro. Call to action. Money bag, and there you have it. 5 AI tools that can literally print you money. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below. Down finger if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI money-making tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Rocket ready to start? Check the links in the description for free trials and resources.